Welcome to the channel, hacth the build. I want to start by saying thanks and I appreciate every single one of you that subscribe, like, and comment. Alright, boys. Today's a little, seems like it's gonna be raining forecast for the day until tomorrow. Not much work out here that I could do anyway, besides the weather. So we're gonna do some indoor work. That being said, let's get it. Alrighty, you guys guessed it. We are picking right back none other than my hatch, my track build, my K24 ED hatch, the Wolverine. Been a minute, I haven't worked on it. Last time we worked on it, the roof was leaking. We repaired the leak on the roof, so we are good to go. Ready to start working two of my favorite Honda Civics in the channel, the Wolverine ED hatch and the Black Widow. So today we're gonna carry on with things that I like to do, things that I want to start finishing, and see what else we could do in the car in the future. So that being said, let's carry on. Alright, so today we're picking right back up. We have a halfshaft installation that I like to do. I got axles, but the axles I want to take my time because I got to take a couple of things apart and work on some other things. In order to work on the halfshaft, I have to remove my hood saw headers to get more clearance. So yeah, let's get things going. Let's get it. How things is looking. Alrighty then. So yeah, definitely the headers have to come up. Nothing crazy tied up, just a couple bolts. A little mapped up, but yep, gotta happen, boys. So they could finally start finishing things on her, like the axles and brakes, and carry on with the fuel line soon. Pretty much what I have left to do. So with that being said, let's get it. Head is free. Let me tell you, just maxed up, just sitting there, just waiting. They're pretty heavy though, not as light you guys would think they are. Just set it up over here for right now. Alright boys, so this is your immediate halfshaft Acura RSS base model that we are installing today. It's brand new. Had it for a minute. Like I said, I've been holding back on the hatch due to life and things of that nature, but I want to carry on as much as I can, little by little. Start picking right back, starting today. So I'm gonna show you guys it is actually brand new. So yeah, pretty stoked. I'm gonna get my tools, my bolts, and we're gonna carry on with today's day. Let's get it. Alright, boys, I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod in an area that I could show you guys. Kind of me installing kind of hard over here, but do what I can, even though it's a simple installation. With that being said, let's get it. Alright, just about. Proceed to take out these protecting sleeves from the hatch that it came with. This is the metal part that goes in the transmission. So it goes like this. Simply slides in there. Pause. Here in place. And proceed to do your bolts and stuff. Easy peasy, boys. Easy peasy. Long time waiting too long on doing this. Now next episodes I could proceed to install the axle, then we can move on to the brakes, hydraulic lines for the fuel cell, etc. Alright, I have two lower bolts on the bottom of the block. Gotta use the shorter ones, pause. Been excited to do this, boys. Been holding back, but I've been excited to do this. I can't wait. Just the fact that I had the parts and just holding back, it just feel good. It's about time and it feels right. Not trying to break any records. I'm not building because anybody else is building. I've been building this before other people did, so just take time. Not everybody's pocket is the same, boys. But one thing that I do tell you is that it's 100% built by myself, you know, to the point that I made a lot of mistakes. But it's the K-series stuff, and now I learned a lot that I could pretty much do any K-series in the future. Any K-swap, 20, 24, should be good. Right, so I got one more bolt over here that I'm tying up. This should be done. And by the way, that was a direct fit. Doesn't matter if it's 20, 24. If you're using a K24 from a CRB, if you're using a TSS 20, 24, this is direct fit. Like I already said, immediate hatch shaft. What's the plus? Make sure they're nice and tight. There we go. And that's as tight as to get. Pause. Alright. Show you how we're looking, boys. Nice install. Spanking new, boys. The way to go. It's installed correctly. All bolts is tied up. So this part is completed. I'm gonna proceed to install my headers back so that we could conclude with this episode on the EG track build hatch. That being said, let's get it. Are you fucking kidding me? Did I lock myself inside here? Like this racing car shit. Well, boys, on some funny shit, I gotta wait until my girl get home from her shift, like 15 minutes from now, because I apparently locked myself inside the hatch. Accidentally, first time ever. That's the next step I have to do. My emergency handles. In case of emergency in the track, it would have been a big failure. So I'm like over here for the next 15-20 minutes to be continued.